Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. Well, today we're going to be planting our garlic as it's October and now is the time to be getting them in. The reason why we plant them now in October and November is because it needs the cold to help split the bulbs. So that's why we need to plant them at this time of year, and then they'll be ready to harvest around June to July time, fingers crossed on the weather. So when you're choosing your garlic, you can either go to the garden centre and buy the garlic seeds ready, or you can actually get them from the supermarket. But if you're getting them from the supermarket, make sure they're from a UK country or from the Europe, as garlic from China won't be used to our climates. So make sure you get garlic from Europe if you're planting from the supermarket. There's obviously elephant garlic and there's normal type of garlic as well, and you can obviously get them on Amazon as well. So let's have a look at our garlic that we're planting today. So this is our garlic that we're planting today. We got this from the garden centre, and we've got 2 cloves in here. When I first started growing garlic, when I first got an allotment, I thought, what, you only get 2 bulbs for garlic? It's not worth its money. I didn't realise that you have to separate them down into the cloves and plant the cloves individually. So we live and learn by our mistakes, but that's the whole fun of gardening. So we need to split these 2 cloves down and get them planted out. So there we are, we split them all down into individual cloves now. So we've got about 27 cloves. So we get a lot of cloves from these 2 garlics. So hopefully we'll get quite a lot of plants for next year. Garlic bulbs, we'll get about 27 bulbs. Fingers crossed they all grow. We've put some fresh compost down to plant them through the compost, so that we're adding some nutrients into the ground. So yeah, let's get them planted. Make sure you leave plenty of space in between each one so that you can weed in between them all. So let's get them in. So we've got these ones in, so we just push them down with the pointy bit facing at the top and the flat bottom bit from where the garlic was at the bottom. So yeah, we've left a bit of space in between each one so that we can keep them well weeded, and yeah, fingers crossed they grow. So once you've planted them, what you can do is net them over as well, because that'll stop the birds and the squirrels pinching the garlic, and once they start getting the shoots on, the pigeons will come down and try and eat the tops off them. So it's good to net them over and keep them protected until they're strong enough to take their own. You can also label them up so that you know which garlic you've got planted where as well, to see which ones do best, and you can grow them again next year. So make sure you give us a like, subscribe and give us a follow. Feel free to share it as well, and stay up to date with how well they're growing on our videos. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.